Quiet your mind and come into your body. Let go of anything in your mind, anything that feels tired, anything that feels stressful. Let go of anyone you're trying to perform for or please right now. In this quiet space, you only feel your body. You feel the rhythms of the waves that come in and through you, and you feel the movement of your baby down and out of your body. Your mind is quiet, your shoulders are relaxed, and you're sinking deeply into your hips, feeling the weight of your baby pushing down into your pelvis. As the waves come and fill you with intensity and pleasure as your baby is moving down, you welcome them. Your jaw is open. The air comes in and out easily. Your chest is quiet, it's still, it's not expanding too much because your belly is expanding. Each breath that comes in and out travels down into your belly, opening wide and pushing deep, expanding the space that your baby's head is going to come down into. Try to keep still in your chest. Keep your shoulders still. Keep your ribs still. You're quiet and you're only moving that air down into your belly. Feeling your belly go out and feeling it go down. Feeling your perineum bulge down into the chair or towards the floor. As you're expanding, open the space that your baby needs to come down. Your breath is quiet. We can't hear you. It's just a gentle in and a gentle out. Your face is relaxed. Your shoulders are relaxed. In and out. Quiet and peaceful. We breathe through labor. Expanding and releasing, not holding anything. Is there anything in your mind right now? Let it go. Is there any tension in your arms? Let it go. Is there any tension in your belly? Breathe in and breathe out, creating a soft, open belly. Breathing all the way through the waves and the surges. You are soft and you are gentle and you are held. And you are doing the hard work to bring your baby forward. You've got this. Everything is quiet around you. You can't hear anything because you're completely within yourself. All that you feel is within your body. Your mind is quiet and empty. Your breath comes into your body, and that's the only thing you care about. One breath at a time. Quiet and slow, it comes into your belly, and quiet and slow, it leaves your belly. expanding in, relaxing out. Your neck is relaxed as your head hangs forward. Your eyes are closed. Your shoulders are down. Your hands are open. My hands are on your shoulders, reminding you that this is downward. This is opening. We stay open and relaxed. You can feel yourself sitting deep. You can feel your perineum bulging down as you fill your belly with air, and it's pushing down on your pelvic floor, expanding, massaging, opening. You can feel your baby move and imagine the little head turning and navigating, coming down into that open space that you're created to make. You were made to birth a baby. You're going to open and welcome your baby down. And we need these contractions. We want them strong. We want them to build. We want them to surge high and intense and stay long and push this baby down. This is good. Each sensation that you feel, that depth, that intensity, that is your baby coming forward into your arms. We welcome that. We let go of anything that's blocking us from being in this space where we are a primal woman birthing our baby. We know that we are in solidarity with women all around this world, birthing our baby right now. So we open up and we welcome these surges. We welcome contractions that are intense and strong and close. We welcome our baby to come down deeper, all the way down where it is intense and it is painful, and we know that that transition is hard, but we know that we can do it and we will do it, and that that's how we birth our baby. In and out, each breath comes. Slow, controlled. You are relaxed and melting into these. You do not fear, for you are made to do this, and you are strong enough. The only thing you feel is within you. The pressure and surges that you breathe through. Slowly in and slowly out, releasing and relaxing, melting into the bed, the pillows, the floor, the chair. Wherever we are right now, we sink and melt into it, surrendering to this labor, surrendering to this process that is designed in our bodies, working with our team, trusting our body, remembering the joy of birthing our baby, each one getting us closer to holding our baby, celebrating the blessing of growing this baby. You did a good job growing your baby. Pregnancy is done. And now we let go of pregnancy. We let go of controlling the things to try to grow a healthy baby, because we are done and we are ready to birth this baby that you have grown so well, as best as you could. Letting go of the things you couldn't control or do better, and surrendering to where we are right now, laboring to birth this beautiful baby, working with our body, working with our team, working with our baby. Slowly breathing in, slowly breathing out. Filling the belly up, softening the belly on the exhale. Breathing down into the belly and releasing it. Expanding the pelvic floor open. Exhale and letting it go. Feeling our baby move down. Keeping our jaw relaxed. Open and welcoming. Surrendering.